Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a truly versatile kitchen companion, the Dezin Electric Hot Pot with steamer. If you're living in a dorm, working in an office, or just love the idea of having a compact and convenient cooking solution for travel, this little appliance might just be your new best friend. Let's start with its core function. This is an electric cooking pot, but calling it just that feels like an understatement. It boasts a 7.4-inch diameter with a respectable 2.4-inch rim height, giving you a good amount of space to work with. The marketing suggests it's perfect for whipping up pasta, tasty meals, and generally offers you the freedom to cook and sauté without needing a traditional stovetop. This immediately appeals to anyone with limited kitchen space or a need for portable cooking. One of the standout features here is the dual power adjustment. You've got two power settings, 400 watts and 800 watts. This isn't just about turning it up or down, it's designed to cater to different cooking needs. The lower setting, labeled Hell, is ideal for gentler cooking like simmering ramen, steaming dumplings, making oatmeal, or boiling vegetables and pasta. When you need more heat for things like frying, searing a steak, making paella, or even enjoying a fondue, you can switch to the higher LL mode. This dual power functionality really adds to its multi-purpose appeal, allowing for both delicate and more robust cooking. Capacity is another important consideration, and the Dezin Electric Hot Pot comes with a generous 2-liter capacity. This is quite substantial for a portable appliance. It's marketed as a professional and multifunctional item, and indeed, it can serve as a shabu-shabu pot with its steaming capabilities. For anyone who enjoys cooking or needs a dorm room essential, this 2-liter capacity is a significant plus, capable of handling meals for 1 or 2 people comfortably. Now, let's talk about the cooking surface itself. It features a ceramic glaze coating. This is a big deal for health-conscious cooks because it's designed to reduce oil usage compared to standard cookware. Furthermore, it's touted as being safer and non-toxic, even at high temperatures, and it's environmentally friendly. The non-stick aspect is also crucial, as it makes cleaning up after cooking much easier, a definite win in my book. The portability of this unit is clearly a major selling point. Its compact size means it won't take up a lot of space, making it perfect for travel. Whether you're packing it for an RV trip, a hotel stay, a dorm room, or even camping, it promises to be an easy way to cook a meal. This all-in-one portability is what makes it so attractive for those on the go or in limited living situations. It also comes with a silicone spatula, which is a thoughtful inclusion. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the Dezin Electric Hot Pot with steamer. On the positive side, its multifunctionality is undeniable. You can boil, simmer, sauté, and even fry with this single unit, thanks to the dual power settings. The 2-liter capacity is ample for personal use or small shared meals. The ceramic non-stick coating is a significant health and convenience benefit, making cooking healthier and cleanup a breeze. Its compact and portable design makes it an excellent choice for dorms, offices, travel, and small apartments. The dual power settings offer a good range for different cooking tasks. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While it boasts dual power settings, the 800-watt maximum might not be as powerful as a dedicated frying pan or stovetop for certain high-heat searing tasks. For a 2-liter capacity, cooking for more than 2 people might feel a bit cramped, especially if you're trying to cook multiple components at once. Also, while the ceramic coating is generally durable, it can be prone to scratching if not cared for properly, so using the included spatula or other non-metal utensils is essential. Finally, for individuals who are used to the precise temperature control of a gas or electric stove, this appliance's heat adjustments might feel a little less nuanced. In conclusion, the Dezin Electric Hot Pot with steamer is a highly versatile and convenient appliance that punches well above its weight class. Its compact design, dual power settings, and non-stick ceramic coating make it an ideal solution for anyone seeking a simple, efficient way to cook a variety of meals in limited spaces or while traveling. If you're looking for a do-it-all cooker for your dorm, office, or next adventure, this Dezin pot is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.